Hey everyone, welcome to day 8 of 25 Days of Essentialism. Today we are on chapter 6, which is on page 73, I think it is, and the title of the chapter is Look. And I would also maybe add Look and Listen. The subtitle is See What Really Matters. And what struck me the most is on page 77, where it has the non-essentialist and essentialist breakdown, and it says the non-essentialist pays attention to the loudest voice. The essentialist pays attention to the signal in the noise. The non-essentialist hears everything being said. The essentialist hears what is not being said. The non-essentialist is overwhelmed by all the information. The essentialist scans to find the essence of the information. Now, here's what's landing for me now. I am at this moment in the middle of this, of feeling the overwhelm by all the information. And the top one here on the essentialist pays attention to the signal in the noise. So there's a ton of noise going on, both physically, I'm having some pain, so that's going on too. There's lots of things going on. And all I can kind of hear is the noise, and I cannot figure out what the signal is. Which is kind of strange, because I was going to record this video and I'm like, I don't know, I'm hearing the noise and I don't know what the signal is. And maybe that's you. Maybe you're in that same place. There's just so much information and you're not quite sure what to do. And what is the signal that you're listening for? For those of you that are old enough, back when we had turn dials for radio stations, and you would like all that, right? And you'd slowly get it locked into the station, and finally you'd lock it in, right? You'd hear the signal. So this is important, to find the signal in the noise. And so my action when I stop this video is I'm going to stop and just take some pause and just listen to see if I can find the signal. And maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. Anyway, put in the comments what you've noticed from this chapter, some good quotes, what you're thinking about, what you're struggling with. And until tomorrow, this is Jeff with Pie of Genius. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.